Now go to the render, compact material editor, select the second slot, make it as, select the multi-slash sub materials as we are applying separately different materials. Clear it, first material, go to the none, select from here V-Ray two-sided MTL, V-Ray two-sided materials means, and from here multi by front diffuse, select on this, and front single sided sub materials, click on this button for single sided submit, click on this one. Now go to the front material, from here select V-Ray light material. Now select from here a brown material. A brown material. And make sure that you have click on this button after applying, after making the material, after making materials, make sure that you have applied this button, assign material to selection, and show shaded material in viewports, and make it as faces, make it as default. Now apply UW map. Don't apply UW map, it's more than enough, it's okay. Now render this scene. First make a V-Ray camera, place a V-Ray camera, go to the parameters of the V-Ray camera, film speed 240, shutter speed from 200 to 40, and now place, now render a render scene, render. As you can't see the light, the down part of the light, a lamp light, so place a V-Ray plane light on the top viewport, drag it upward, make a copy of it. First make it invisible, go to the parameter modifier, go to the parameters, in options select invisible, click on this button, make a copy of it, rotate at 45 degree after holding shift key, making copy of it. You can when you make a copy, hold a shift key of the light, and you can make it copy of it, and then rotate it at 45 degree. And then make a copy of it holding shift key, and then rotate it. Now rotate it. Now select V-Ray camera 1. V-Ray camera 1, from here select and render the scene. Now you can see the light with the lamp. Now this is simple light. If you want to increase the light, the top lamp light brightness, increase its brightness. Now render it. Now you can see the brightness. Now let me apply the thickness to the top side of the lamp. This one, the cover, I will apply. Delete first. Now let me apply the shell for thickness. First select the top polygon to delete it, and now the down polygon to delete it, so that now apply shell modifier. Now when I render it, now with this I have told you how to design or how to model a lamp. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel, that is for similar graphics and architectural designer, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest video notification. Have a good day. Bye.